Vijay, what's your sense on where the soybean prices are headed? Because today has been a day on some gains, thin domestic supplies, expectation that a weaker rupee would boost soya meal exports. How have you seen the CPO or the soybean prices?
Manisha, the long-term trend, even the medium-term trend for that matter, remains bullish. It's only in the absolute near term that you're seeing some volatility in prices. I think a buy on dips would be the right approach because we are seeing a weakness in the rupee, and the rupee is unlikely to basically post any major gains barring technical pullbacks. So CPO prices are talking about the June series because the May series is almost gone. So the June series, I think closer to 575 odd levels, or maybe even 580 for aggressive guys, would provide buying opportunities. Soya futures also, I think closer to the 33.25 odd levels would see support coming in, and I would maintain my buy on dips approach.
Let's get in an industry view as well, and Nirav Desai, Director, Nickel Commodities from Indore, now joins us on a phone line. Nirav, hi, welcome to the show. What's your sense on where the edible oil prices are moving, and how are the Indore markets right now?
Thank you, Manisha. See, the markets here have been quite volatile. We had a great fall in the last 3-4 weeks, and there was a kind of a recovery, pullback rally, relief rally in the last 2-3 days. And I think the pullback is kind of over. So market seems to be overall range bound. The macros, which created a big panic in the last 3-4 weeks, I think it will need some very fresh news to create big panics to the market. So maybe buying at the low levels that had been created in the last week would be a good strategy overall. But I don't see a overall big recovery in the market. Market seems to be range bound. If we talk about soybeans, it's about 3,300 to 3,400 beans on the June contract. And if we talk about CPO, it's going to be about more so ever 578, 80 to 590, 93 rupees on the same June contract. And overall, the international indices also show the same, particularly BMD seems to give a 3,050, 60 strong support overall. Only thing is, any fresh bearish news from big bearish news from the international market should not come in because, again, the euro and crude oil has slid today. So that is one thing that people and traders are eyeing. Otherwise, market seems to be on more over a range-bound trend.
Point taken, Nirav. Thank you so much for joining us. So bad news, of course, coming in from the international markets is weighing, but apart from that, some consolidation and buying can be expected here. Vijay, thanks to you for joining in the markets as well.